Hi guys, this is one of the dishes. It's called jambalaya. It's version of jambalaya in my way. Everyone making jambalaya different way. I want you to follow this recipe and try it. I have some chicken grill here. I'm going to cut it and it look in this way. We need the parsley. I need shrimp, green red pepper, red onions, Italian sausage, or you can use lamb merguez, and mushroom. Prepare the pan, prepare garlic and oil. Guys, garlic, 3 heads of garlic, and mix between virgin olive oil and regular oil. Add the onions, peppers, and the shrimp. Step 1. Salt, pepper, crushed pepper. And we're gonna saute in 3 minutes. After saute the shrimp, peppers and onions, when they look like this, we're going to add mushroom and sausage. Now the time we add in chicken. Now we're gonna add parsley. And this dish, I always use after salt and pepper, Old Bay. Old Bay you can find it in any place. Okay? Then chili pepper. How it look like? Finita la musica. Now, this is after this one is cooked. You see how it look like? I'm going to add pasta penny. Action.
Go.
Now we're gonna add some tomato sauce, okay? And some pasta water to it. This is really good dish, you know? Alright? Add some parsley. This is how we look like. Black, top.